Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an all-day clean with me. So first I started in my kids' bedrooms. I just neatened up all of their toys that should be down in the playroom, and I made their beds and dusted and vacuumed. Typically what I do is I have like a cleaning schedule. I clean like certain days, like I do the kitchen one day, I do the bathrooms another day, and things like that. But this day, I don't know if we were just had a busy week or whatnot, but I needed to do a lot of stuff. So I just powered through and tackled a bunch of stuff all in one day.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting, we can make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing on all this waiting. I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taken, baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you. You said come right on over. I could not wait to show you. I cherish all your lines. And after all this time, feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing on all this waiting. I'll call you mine.
Typically we run the dishwasher every night, but on this particular day I think it just wasn't full enough, so I waited until after breakfast to run the dishwasher. So I did that, let it dry for a little while, and now I'm just going to empty the dishwasher and I'm going to load it back up.
But I was sneaking out and I was sneaking in, back into your room again. Oh honey, please, can't you see what I see? That this is the way it should be. This is the way it should be. I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taken, baby. First, that I'm not alone at being alone. And the state of mind
while I was doing the dishes, I actually put down Arm & Hammer, like the baking soda, on all of the rugs. So I'm just using like our heavy duty vacuum to make sure I get everything picked up. I did that in all of the kids' rooms and also my bedroom.
Without my eyes, it's incredible. Even though I think I've seen better days, I should know eventually these things change in the strangest ways. In the strangest ways. Even though I think I've seen better days, I should know eventually these things change in the strangest ways. In the strangest ways. Driving down highway lines.
And now I'm just going to tackle both bathrooms. I only showed you one bathroom because I feel like it's a little redundant to show you both. I did the same thing. I cleaned the toilets, I cleaned the sink area, and cleaned out the shower and the tub. So I did that in both bathrooms.
My ears when I'm not invincible. Like this don't make much sense. What's the cure for emptiness? How long should this feeling last? Waiting for a loan to pass. Even though I think I've seen better days, I should know eventually these things change in the strangest ways. Not the first, that I'm not alone at being alone. I wanna believe you.
And last, I'm doing my least favorite chore, which is folding all of the laundry. I don't mind folding the laundry, it's putting it away. Hence all of the piles of clothes that I'm currently looking at while I'm editing this video that need to be put away. So I am just going to get all of that done, and then I'm actually folding it downstairs. Usually I fold it upstairs, and then it's just easier because all of our bedrooms are right here. But on this day, I just decided to pull it out of the dryer and get it done right away.
You talk a big game, but you're reckless. Why can't I leave you? I take everything you say with a grain of salt. 'Cause every little word that comes out your mouth is laced with little lies and I'm broken. Why can't I leave you? Why can't I leave you?
Alright, and that is it for today's video. I hope you guys got some good cleaning motivation to go and tackle some areas in your home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed. I have a ton of holiday content coming for you guys. An awesome collab with some amazing moms that I met here on YouTube. So make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Me once, but I like to love what isn't right. So I take everything you say with a grain of salt. 'Cause every little word that comes out your mouth